Tank high-level alarm test.
A function test of cargo level alarm must be carried out on every voyage. The ship is equipped with a level alarm on the tank level gauge, an independent type high-level alarm for each cargo tank in preparation for loading or unloading. Usually, function tests of high-level, low-level, and independent high-high alarm are carried out during ballast voyage. The function test is carried out generally during ballast voyage, and it is conducted by changing the level manually to simulate high and low level of the tanks. When the independent high-high level alarm test is carried out, the level at the CCR must be monitored, and crew stationed on deck is to activate the alarm on the device on site. Pull up the needle on site and monitor the alarm at the CCR. After the test, set back the needle correctly and ensure normal operating conditions are achieved.